Did you know Applebee's entire kitchen runs on microwaves and pre-made food? Here's their secret system. Most of your meal arrives frozen or pre-cooked from a factory. The kitchen staff just reheats everything in microwaves and assembly lines. This lets them hire cheaper workers with zero cooking skills. No chefs needed. The result? They cut labor costs by 70% while serving identical food at every location. This microwave model became the blueprint that Chili's, TGI Fridays, and dozens of chains copied. You're paying restaurant prices for fancy fast food.